God, you complete me. No, you, there is no love. Oh my God, you love me. Dize kukomera kwawe. Oh, oh.
God, give me strength for today, peace in my heart, and clarity in my mind. Guide my steps, protect me from harm, and fill me with your light. Calm every storm around me, silence every fear within me, and remind me that you are with me always. Help me to walk in love, speak with wisdom, and act with courage. Forgive my mistakes and bless the work of my hands. Surround me with your favor and keep me safe under your wings. Thank you for your endless grace